Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today is February 2nd, 2025, and the top news for crypto is as follows. Today we will start with the Swedish bank UBS, which is testing blockchain technology to invest in digital gold through ZKsync. UBS is the largest bank in Sweden and is experimenting with blockchain technology to synchronize investors in digital gold for individual investors. This bank has assets worth more than $5.7 trillion under management and has completed the proof of concept for its classic investment product called UBS Key4 Gold on the Ethereum network through Layer 2 ZKsync. This currency you see is a Layer 2 for Ethereum, and it is a very new Layer 2. As we have mentioned in previous episodes of Crypto News, this is another bank trying to modernize its systems and enter the blockchain space. Sooner or later, the entire financial system will run on the blockchain because it simply benefits companies. And of course, it is very good news that such a large bank is testing things on ZKsync. In addition to ZKsync, we have also learned about its roadmap for 2025. One of the most important goals it aims to achieve is reaching 10,000 transactions per second while maintaining very low costs. Additionally, it plans to invest heavily in privacy, which are both crucial aspects of the traditional investment system. From Ethereum's Layer 2 and a bank, we now move to an exchange, Kraken, which has revealed its income for 2024 and, in general, how it has performed. If we refer to the official report linked in the description below, we will see that in 2023, Kraken had a profit of $671 million, whereas in 2024, it had a profit of $1.5 billion. The total funds held on the platform amount to $42.8 billion, while the trading volume for 2024 dropped to $665 billion. As you can see, Kraken is a healthy exchange, and it has also announced that it will delete Tether and 4 other stablecoins in Europe due to MyCA. Specifically, Kraken will fully delete USDT on March 31st, and in addition, it will list PayPal USD, True USD, Terra Classic USD, and EURT. This marks another delete for Tether, as exchanges continue to delete it, and for Kraken as well. Moving on to our coins, today we will discuss Ethereum. As you know from previous episodes of Crypto News, Ethereum has been facing heavy criticism, as it appears to have fallen far behind in terms of network upgrades. Adding fuel to the fire are the recent sales by the Ethereum Foundation. We have learned that it sold 100 ETH on the market, and since the beginning of the year, it has sold a total of 300 ETH. As we can see in this diagram, every time the Ethereum Foundation has sold since the beginning of the year, the price has seemed to decline further. At the moment, Ethereum stands at $3,100. For Ethereum to reach higher prices and make new all-time highs, one of the key factors it needs is increased on-chain activity. However, that activity appears to be lacking due to the growing number of Layer 2 solutions, which are absorbing most transactions because they are cheaper and more efficient. As a result, Ethereum's network does not see much direct activity, which is another reason why its price is struggling to rise. What's even more concerning, as we have discussed in Crypto News, is that Ethereum's supply continues to shrink. This creates additional downward pressure on its price. Since the merge was completed, and before Ethereum had too many Layer 2 solutions, Ethereum had become deflationary, and we were at a burn of 456,000 Ethereum or so. As a result, this helped the price go up over the year since there was less Ethereum. However, since then, more than 150 different Layer 2 solutions have been created. As a result, most transactions now run primarily on them. This has led to Ethereum inflates again. As a result, we are now at 3,000 Ethereum compared to when we were at 457,000 Ethereum, and soon the supply will continue to increase again. As a result, this makes price growth more difficult over the year. And since we have discussed Ethereum and its classic problems, we will also talk about Dogwifat. As we have seen in previous episodes of Crypto News, the public does not fully understand what is happening with the sphere, where the money has gone, and what exactly is going on with this case. Dogwifat addressed this issue through his official account on X, stating that the sphere organizers are in constant negotiations with various parties to collaborate on placing Dogwifat on the sphere. If, for any reason, the plan is not fulfilled, the contract will be cancelled and all the money contributed by the public will be refunded. So the latest news from Dogwifat is that he is still trying to get on the sphere, and if he does not succeed, there will be a full refund for users. Now it's time for us to check out our favorite crypto market, with Bitcoin standing at $99,000, reaching our support level as you can see. The reason Bitcoin was at $106,000 and has now dropped to $99,000 is President Trump. His latest moves seem to have shaken traditional markets, affecting crypto as well. Let me tell you that Mr. Trump has imposed a 25% tax on almost all imports from Mexico and Canada and a 10% tax on goods from China. As a result, certain countries have responded with countermeasures against American taxes. This entire situation has created a negative climate in the markets, which is why we are in the red, as you can see. That wraps up the top news for crypto today. Is February 2nd, 2025. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.